chief guest, Professor Satyadev Tripathi, Senior Visiting Professor at Harishchandra Research Institute, Allahabad, Professor P. Chakrabarti, Director MNIT, Allahabad, and President of the inaugural function have arrived. Please put your hands together and give a warm welcome to all of them.
Satyadev Tripathi to kindly occupy the chair on the dais, and I request Ankur, visiting faculty at Department of Mathematics, MNIT Allahabad, to escort him to his respective chair. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ankur. I now request to the Director, MNIT Allahabad, Professor P. Chakrabarti, to kindly occupy the chair on the dais, and I request Dr. Shadanandan Rao, visiting faculty at Department of Mathematics, MNIT Allahabad, to escort him to his respective chair. Shadanandan.
I request Dr. Shivdat Kumar, Convener of AMS 2012, to kindly occupy the chair on the dais. Now I request Professor P. Singh, Program Chair of AMS 2012, to occupy the chair on the dais. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Pritam Singh, one of the organizing secretaries of AMS 2012, to kindly occupy the chair on the dais.
Anna Pandit, Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, MNIT Allahabad, to present the bouquet to our honorary Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, MNIT Allahabad, to present the bouquet to the Director, MNIT Allahabad.
I request Ms. Archana Chauhan, Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, MNIT Allahabad, to present the bouquet to the Convener of AMS 2012. I request Ms. Akanksha Srivastava, Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, MNIT Allahabad, to present the bouquet to the Program Chair.
I request Ms. Neerja Sharma, Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, MNIT Allahabad, to present the bouquet to the Organizing Secretary. President of the inaugural function, Professor P. Chakrabarti, to start the proceedings of the program formally. Sir, shall we start? Thank you, sir.
Stamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of wisdom and knowledge. May she always bless us with knowledge and guide us in our ways to attain it with hard work and devotion.
शेष जाड्या कहा या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्ड वन्दित करा या श्वेत पद्मासना या श्वेत पद्मासना.
Kumar, convener of AMS 2012 and head Department of Mathematics, to welcome the guests and participants.
I begin with an ancient Sanskrit sloka. Yatha sikha mayuranam naganam manayo yatha tatha vedang sastranam gartam murdhin isthitam, which translates as like the crest of peacock and the jewel of the serpent, mathematics stands at the head of all sciences. Professor Satyadev Tripathi, Honorable Chief Guest, Professor P. Chakravarti, Honorable Director, MNIT Allahabad, a distinguished luminary in the field of electronics and communication engineering, Professor P. Singh, Program Chair, Pitam Singh, one of the Organizing Secretary, other Organizing Secretary, Dr. Sahdev Padhi, all the delegates, invited speakers, distinguished faculty members, guests, members from the press and media, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. As a convener of the conference, it is my proud privilege to extend my earnest welcome to all of you for this conference on advances in mathematical sciences 2012 being held in MNIT in the holy city of Allahabad. I thank all of you for your gracious presence in this conference on behalf of Mathematics Department and on behalf of Organizing Committee. MNIT has been conducting national and international conferences regularly. The present conference is a continuation to that culture and new effort by the department. AMS 2012 is an effort to promote scientific environment and culture which has been present in our institute for a long time. I hope our efforts would facilitate in creating awareness regarding the advances in mathematical sciences. I am sure that with the collaborative effort of our faculty members, students, office staff of the department, conference will be a great success. I am extremely thankful to our chief guest, Professor Satyadev, an eminent mathematician from Harshchandra Research Institute, Allahabad. Apart from being an active researcher, he has been Vice Chancellor of AP Singh University, Rewa, and also Rani Durgavati University, Jabalpur. I also thank him for his kind acceptance for a plenary talk in the conference. It is my privilege to welcome Professor Ashok Sen. He is on the way from Harshchandra Research Institute for winning. Please join me congratulating Professor Sen for winning the Yuri Milner's Fundamental Physics Prize in 2012. I am extremely grateful for his consent to deliver a plenary talk in the conference. I am sure that his talk will inspire the young entrants in mathematics and physics. I thank Professor P. Chakravarti, Director of MNIT Allahabad, and patron of this conference. He has been a source of inspiration for the conference from planning through execution. Thank you very much for your kind support, sir. I acknowledge the financial support given by the SIR DST, Department of Science and Technology, and CSIR and MNIT. We have tried our best to make proper arrangement for all the participants and our esteemed invited speakers. Nevertheless, there may be issues which may require attention. Please inform us of such issues. We will try our level best to take care of them. To conclude, I recite a sloka from Rigveda. Ano Bhadra Pratyovantu Vishwatah. Let God, thoughts or knowledge come from everywhere, from all the world. With these words, I welcome all the mathematics enthusiasts for coming out here and for attending this conference. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Now I request the dignitaries to release the souvenir of the conference. Thank you, sir. I now request Professor P. Singh, Program Chair of ANS 2012 and Senior Most Professor of Department of Mathematics, to introduce our chief guest.
Professor P. Chakravarti, President of Inaugural Function and Director, MNIT Allahabad. Dr. Siddharth Kumar, Head of Mathematics Department. Dr. Pritam Singh and Dr. Sailey, Honorary Secretary of this National Conference of ANS 2012. Good morning to all of you, and I welcome all of you, all the participants. I welcome. Now, I just give the brief introduction of Professor Satyadev, the chief guest. Professor Satyadev Tripathi has been the Vice Chancellor of two universities in Madhya Pradesh, APS University Riva and Rani Durgavati University, Jabalpur. Presently, he is a Senior Visiting Professor at the Harishchandra Research Institute, Allahabad. He got his BSc and MSc degree from the Allahabad University and PhD in Mathematics from the University of Arkansas, USA in the year 1973 as a Fulbright scholar. Starting his professional career as a lecturer, first in engineering in Christian College and then in Allahabad University. He remained there up to 85 there. It's in 1974. Then he was appointed professor and head of the Department of Mathematics, University of Jammu in 1986. In between, he has been the reader in mathematics in University of Delhi in 1985-96. He was at the Rani Durgavati University, Jabalpur, as professor and head of department from 1989 onwards. He served that university as Dean, Faculty of Mathematical Science, Director of the Academic Staff College, Director of the University Institute of Computer Science and Applications. Professor Tripathi was elected Fellow of the National Academy of Sciences, India in the year 1991. He was elected President of the Indian Mathematical Society in the year 2000. He was awarded the Distinguished Service Award during the year 2006 by the Mathematical Association of India for his outstanding contribution to the cause of mathematics, education and research. He was also elected Section President, Mathematics and Statistics of the Indian Science Congress in the year 2011 and was awarded the ISCA Gold Medal by the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh during 3-month forum session of the Indian Science Congress 2010. He has visited USA, Canada, Germany, France, New Zealand, etc. as visiting professors in prestigious universities. He has given several invited talks, has published more than 60 research papers in top-notch journals of mathematics, and has guided PhD, DSc students, scholars, 16 PhD and DSc scholars. He has been a member of prestigious National Board for Higher Education in BHM and also several mathematical societies in India and abroad. I welcome you, sir, and I will request you to address the audience.
All the invited speakers, the invited guests, and dear students. I begin with, first of all, so let me begin by first thanking the convener, Dr. Siddharth Kumar, for inviting me to be the chief guest of this conference on advances in mathematical sciences. In fact, I have visited MNIT on earlier occasions also in connection with a certain meeting of the Indian Mathematical Society, and I know that the Department of Mathematics of MNIT is doing really very good work. They have been very active in organizing seminars and conferences, and even good amount of research is also coming out of this department. Now, coming to the theme of this national conference, of course the topic is very broad, namely advances in mathematical sciences. And mathematical sciences itself is a very, very vast subject. There are so many branches of mathematics which fall into this broad spectrum of mathematical sciences. And I noticed that there are talks in a variety of topics in this conference. And there is a wonderful plenary talk by my colleague Professor Ashok Sen. As a plenary lecturer, he will be here. But besides that, there are several good talks in algebra, in topology and analysis, and in many other areas. This is very good. And being this year as the National Mathematics Year, it's very appropriate that we have assembled here to discuss some mathematics and some advances in various topics of mathematics. I am, by my hobby, I am an algebraic topologist, but because of the background of many people here, I would not confine my talk to my subject or my area of specialization. What I have decided to talk about this morning is just to tell you about the role of